guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fill in color in circuit design space on your iPhone. This is perfect for coloring text, shape or design before cutting or printing. Let's get started. Open the circuit design space app on your iPhone. Tap new project to open a blank canvas. Tap text to your word or tap shape to add a shape. You can also upload an image color. Place your design on the canvas. Tap on the text, shape or image you want to fill with color. Make sure it is highlighted. This tells circuit which object you want to edit. At the bottom, tap edit or color depending on your app version. You will see the fill color option appear. Tap on basic cut operation. You will see the fill color option appear. Here you can pick solid color, circuit material color, custom colors in color wheel. Tap the color you like and it will fill your selected text or shape instantly. For multicolor object, repeat for each object separately. Resize the object with two fingers. Move it around the canvas. Duplicate it for repeating design. When your color design looks perfect, tap make it. Connect your iPhone to a circuit machine by Bluetooth. Select your material, load your mat and press go to cut or print. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.